This 3D print is of a tarantula designed by MatMire Makes. I printed it at 70% of the original size. It took 9 hours and 15 minutes to print on a raft, which the raft is probably going to give me some hassles getting some of the legs off. So here's the body. I mean, here's what we ended up with: the body, the head, and all the legs. And when Matt does the designs, he designs them with a little bit of a raft around different parts to allow it to stick. But when I use my own raft, then got a little bit of cleanup to do. So just clean this up real quick. If I wasn't printing on a raft, this would probably pull right off. So there's the tail end of the tarantula. It's still a little sharp right there. So now we'll pull off the body and the head, I hope. And the way this is designed, he's got little holes for each leg. And if you wanted to snip each leg, you would make the holes a little bit easier to insert each leg. Now, each of these legs appears to be different sizes. These all, the back ones, but the two front ones seem to be a little different. So I just need to remember the two front ones will be different size. And this should probably going to be a challenge getting some of these off of here. Well, there's 1, 2, 3. They're coming off easier than I thought they were going to. There's a front one. And now for the other side. In his design, you can also print these legs separately. In case you broke one, you could replace it. So there I've got all the legs off. There's my raft. So we will try inserting a leg. That one went in with no problem. We'll probably try and do each leg. Each leg, the front one only had one joint. The other legs have 2. Loosen them up before I insert them. Seem to be inserting. They're snug, but they'll loosen up a little bit. So let's loosen up the next leg. Insert it. The more you play with this, the freer up it'll get. One more for that side. That one just broke. So we're not going to sit that in. That snapped when I made it. Kind of a cute print. Going 70% may have been just a little too much for the joints. The PLA that I printed it with is easy to snap. So we're going to end up with a lopsided tarantula. Then we can put the body on. Here we go. So there's a tarantula minus one leg, because I need to reprint that leg because it snapped on me. Kind of a cute little print. Well, I actually ended up breaking off 3 of the legs. So I printed 3 more. The 2 pinchers. Actually, I tried printing them without the raft, but they just were not going to stick to my my bed. The little ball here started coming off. And this one's not going to come off for me. So there's my 2 pinchers. Need to free up the joint a little bit. There's one. There's left and right. Oops, just threw it on the floor. And then the leg. Which I broke the joint on the leg on the other one. So probably should have just printed this at 75% instead of 70. So I should be able to slip this in. Then slip in my pinchers. And there we have the completed tarantula with pinchers and 8 legs.